Good morning, guys. Nancy here from SERVPRO of Moreno Valley. I hope you guys are having a great day. I just wanted to check in and let you guys know I'm on my way to a job site. Why? It's because this is through a referral of one of my agents, and it seems to be a pretty big job today. It's a complete flood. There's going to be a lot of pack out going on, and it's just craziness, and I just want to go and check it out and kind of be part of it and see how everything works and how the emergency services work. As you guys know, I am new, so this is going to be a learning experience for me. So I want to record it and kind of follow through it and see how everything goes and keep you guys posted. I'm even going to go and help out if I can. So